If all of your money sits in one giant checking account, you are not managing your wealth. You are managing an illusion. You open your app, see a big number, and your brain releases a hit of dopamine. But that number is a lie. It hasn't subtracted the rent that's due tomorrow. This single point of failure is why even high earners constantly feel trapped. You are trying to do complex financial calculus in your head every single day. One minute you feel rich, and the next you're terrified of an overdraft. You are wandering blindly through a financial maze designed to keep you broke. But what if you could step out of the chaos entirely? Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to take absolute, unbreakable control of your money. Welcome to the psychological trap of the single account mirage, when your rent, your groceries, and your savings all sit in the exact same pile. Your brain literally cannot process the difference between current liquidity and future liabilities. So you sit on the couch, exhausted, and default to impulse spending. It's like trying to fill a bucket that has 50 tiny holes in it. Every trip to the grocery store becomes a stressful, mental negotiation. You are drowning in a sea of micro decisions and buy now buttons. You subscribe to 10 different services, forgetting that they silently drain you every month. You wander through a financial desert, desperately looking for an oasis that isn't there. This is called decision fatigue, and it is actively destroying your future. The single account structure is fundamentally flawed. It is meant to crumble. You try to build wealth, but the foundation simply won't hold the weight. You end up running on a hamster wheel, working harder just to spend faster. You look successful on the outside, but inside, you feel completely broke. Every financial book tells you to budget, but traditional budgeting is a trap. You shouldn't have to scrutinize every single penny you spend, because while you're agonizing over $3 lattes, the heavy anchors are dragging you down. You can't even enjoy a nice meal without the underlying guilt of, can I afford this? The weight of that guilt will always crush your ability to save. It's time to stop budgeting, take a deep breath, and start architecting. This is the Financial Trifecta, a ruthless, frictionless system of total control. We are going to divide your financial life into 3 impenetrable vaults. Account number 1 is your absolute foundation. We call this the vault. The vault is your defensive fortress. It is locked down and strictly non-negotiable. Only fixed survival expenses come out of here. Rent, utilities, insurance, debt. The golden rule of the vault: you do not carry a debit card for it, ever. This account acts as its own ruthless bank teller. Its only job is to pay the bills. When the storm hits, the vault ensures you always have a roof over your head. Your entire paycheck direct deposits straight into the vault, nowhere else. Once the money lands here, it is locked securely away from your impulsive desires. You guard the vault like it holds the keys to your survival, because it does. With the vault active, your baseline standard of living is completely secure. It physically blocks the arrows of debt and missed payments from ever hitting you. That terrifying utility bill? It's already paid before you even sip your morning coffee. When the vault is full, your survival is guaranteed. But we still need to live. Enter account number 2, the fuel tank. The fuel tank is the only account connected to the plastic in your pocket. This is for gas, groceries, eating out, and absolute guilt-free fun. You go to the store and you spend confidently, knowing your bills are already handled. You go out with friends and you finally enjoy yourself without the looming financial dread. But here is the catch. When the fuel tank hits zero, you are done. Period. You have created artificial scarcity. You manually control the limit of your fun. You don't need to categorize every dollar. Just split your allowance however you want. You simply look at the app, check the gauge, and make your choice. If you want to blow it all at a concert on Friday, do it. Guilt-free. But when you check the app on Saturday and it says zero, you don't pull out a credit card. You respect the boundary you built. You put the phone away and you find something free to do instead. The fuel tank gamifies your spending. It forces absolute discipline. You have successfully separated your survival from your desires. Now, we secure your freedom. Enter account number 3, the time machine. This account has one single purpose: to buy back your future time. It is the seed you plant today that rapidly grows into the wealth of tomorrow. This is where the magic of compound interest actually happens. You are taking the gold from your labor and turning it into a lasting legacy. The time machine must be held at a completely separate bank. No easy access. You sit back and let decades of growth happen automatically, outside your daily view. This account is your ultimate compass, pointing directly toward financial independence. You lock the door to the time machine, and you throw away the key. Every dollar here is a soldier, marching to make you more money while you sleep. While you relax on the beach, your time machine is actively expanding. This is the true filter of wealth. This is how the rich stay rich. You put a strict "do not disturb" sign on this money. It is utterly untouchable. It fuels the rocket ship of your investments, launching you out of the rat race. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. You just need patience and a system. You are now the master strategist of three distinct financial empires. Want to retire early? Just slide your automated contribution percentage up. Your time machine account will soon outgrow everything else in your financial forest. Your net worth isn't a mystery anymore. It is a mathematical certainty. You are now in total, undeniable control of the trifecta. But a system that relies on human willpower will eventually fail. We need the invisible hand. We are going to fully automate the trifecta, removing human error entirely. Here is the master flow. Your income lands directly in the vault. Instantly, a fixed percentage is aggressively swept away into the time machine. Simultaneously, your weekly allowance drops perfectly into your fuel tank. And you do absolutely nothing. You are busy living your life. At midnight on payday, the machines go to work while you are fast asleep. You stop relying on the fragile glass of willpower and step into the peace of automation. You are the conductor of an orchestra that plays the sweet music of compounding wealth. You become the anchor in the storm, perfectly still while the data flows around you. This is the ultimate set it and forget it protocol. You have built an unbreakable golden pipeline between your accounts. You hit save automation once, and the system runs for the rest of your life. Money blooms naturally without you having to constantly tend to the garden. Autopay is not a trap for the bank, it is a weapon for your freedom. You move through the world with zero financial friction, immune to the stress around you. Your cash flow is perfectly balanced, directing maximum capital toward your profit. You've put on the helmet of financial clarity. You see the matrix. The money machine hums quietly in the background, working tirelessly 24/7. You have ascended. You are a fully automated wealth-building machine. The vault operates with strict safety valves. No accidental leaks are possible. The system acts as a heavy shield against every single impulse purchase. For the first time in your life, your finances have perfect, Zen-like clarity. You delete the shopping apps because you no longer need the cheap dopamine. You look into the future, and you finally see absolute security. You wear mental clarity like a badge of honor. You walk right past the 50% off sales because you are no longer the target. You have released the heavy anchors and grabbed the balloon of peace of mind. In a world of financial chaos, you are the only one in total control. You stand elevated. You have achieved total financial clarity. But getting to this point requires a crucible, surviving the first 30 days. You have to sit down, face the ugly truth, and audit your last 3 months. Take a highlighter and ruthlessly identify every single fixed vault expense. You will feel overwhelmed by the math at first. That is normal. You will have to make uncomfortable calls to cancel the dead weight. You must load the vault with a 1-month cash buffer so nothing ever bounces. The first month is a countdown of pure behavioral rewiring. You will look at your tiny fuel tank and feel broke, until you realize the vault is fully funded. You will fight the violent urge to steal from your own survival to fund your impulses. But when you hit day 30 and every bill is paid automatically, you win. You step into a brand new identity. You are no longer a consumer. You are the undisputed master of your money. Your banking app is no longer a source of panic. It is a dashboard of clarity. When the economic storms hit, you are completely shielded from the rain. You look back at your old, stressed-out self with pity. You've placed an ironclad barrier between your current desires and your future survival. You watch with deep satisfaction as the wealth scanner tracks your rising net worth. You spend your time learning about compounding, not stressing over debt. Your reality shifts from barely surviving to absolutely thriving. You stand firmly in front of your three doors, the architect of your own destiny. You are no longer reacting to your life. You are directing it. You look the world dead in the eye, backed by the undeniable power of leverage. Confidence isn't something you fake anymore. It radiates from your absolute security. You know exactly what you are doing, and it feels incredible. You have left the chaos behind, stepping forever into the calm blue. If you want this level of control, hit that subscribe button right now. Join a massive community of people who have taken their power back from the banks. Comment the word flow below, and I will send you the exact blueprint. This is your final victory over the system designed to keep you poor. The show is over. You have won the game of money. You don't just understand the numbers work for you. You look into the future with nothing but serene, unshakable peace. Your future self is reaching back to thank you for the decisions you made today. You hold the master key to ultimate generational financial freedom. You live in a sanctuary where financial anxiety simply does not exist. You have locked the door on your debt forever. Your map leads strictly to success, and you know every step of the journey. You have ascended from a novice spender into a true master of capital. Separate your money. Automate your flow. Simplify your life. Take control of your trifecta today and never look back.